Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and let's DIY one of these carrot wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. They can be a little challenging to decorate. I'm going to do a coastal Easter theme on mine using some of the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. This is probably the thinner of the two, but it doesn't really matter which one you use. I am basically going to outline the shape of the carrot with the rope. This is a bright orange color, but the rope is wide enough to cover everything, so you don't have to bother painting anything unless you want. I'm just going to use hot glue and go around the shape, and I've got lots of fun ideas of how we can decorate this and give it a little bit of a coastal Easter theme, which is my favorite. I just go all the way around with that one piece of rope and then meet here at the bottom. I just do one section at a time so my hot glue doesn't set up. And then here at the bottom, I will cut it and blend it the best I can there at the very bottom. Now it has like the Easter grass on the top. It's got little squiggly lines and stuff to decorate. I'm going to use the same thing here for the grassy part of the carrot, pretty wide and a fun outline. Now, the challenging part is probably all of the squiggly lines and the lines. The straight lines are easy because you can use that same rope for that. And if you wanted to switch this up and use the brown rope from the Dollar Tree, I think that would be really cute too. And you could even paint the rope if you wanted to. Now for the squiggly lines, I thought those would be the most challenging. So what I did was I unwound the rope into thirds to give me smaller pieces. And it's automatically curly when you unwind it. So it kind of just goes right with it. I just attached that with hot glue all the way across. You could also wrap that with macrame or twine, but it would take you a little bit longer than just gluing this right on top. I just do one little section at a time, attaching it with hot glue. Now to decorate the greenery, I'm going to do some driftwood. Now you could use driftwood you have from the beach. I have some vase filler that I picked up at Target. Can be a little hard to find, but I love crafting with it because it's flat and it's really easy to craft with. And I want to fill in this grassy section with driftwood for a fun little take up here. I found some pieces that were longer and shorter that would go with the shape, and I could still kind of keep it all vertical here. And I'm just gluing it rope to rope on here. Just a fun idea of what to do for this part of the carrot. Now for the rest of the carrot, I wanted to decorate the little lines on the carrot to make them not so plain. I'm going to use those little tiny seashells that come in the glass bottles from the Dollar Tree. I like to sort mine out in these little toy organizers from Dollar Tree so I know exactly what I'm working with. And I'm just going to hot glue the same kind of shell all the way across these and make some little shell rows here on our carrot. Just a fun way to adorn them. If you can't find those little shells at the Dollar Tree, I get the big jars of them on Amazon as well, and I think they're just as cheap. This is how it turned out. I hope you love it, our little coastal Easter carrot. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!